we're just trying to decide what to do because it adds a lot of, oh, now I can't talk.
Delaney. Hey, you. What you eating?
Charlie's too.
Huh? Oh. Oh.
Maybe I'll just like,
Oh my.
get my pajamas on and get in bed and watch TV and flip channels. And
What are you eating?
You can get up for it.
Corn casserole.
well, that'd probably
Yummy.
that might work. Take a hot shower.
Oh, and it's all in your hands. Ew. No, I don't want any. Ooh, ew. Oh gosh.
Delaney. Delaney. Oh, Charlie's just waiting.
Oh, hi.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. You're gonna need a bath after this.
Can you eat it? Where's Charlie?
You got something in your hair.
Dad. No, you don't. Not yet. Surprisingly.
Here it comes.
Oh, I'm a beggar.
Yeah. Oh, he's really wanting.
She tries to feed him sometimes.
Okay.
Oh, there she goes. No. No.
Oh. She's laughing.
And beggar number 2. Oh,
Oh,
great.
there, he gets those.
I see you wiping it off. You're not eating it all. Om nom nom.
Is that good?
Oh, and you
patty cake, a baker's man. We can bake that cake as fast as you can.
She's not digging it.
We can roll it
She's staring.
and pat it
Woman back there, she's staring at you.
and mark it with the B.
Star.
Put it in the oven for the babies and me. Yay! Oh
She doesn't
boy!
clap throughout the whole thing.
Till the end.
What do you want?
Oh, you want a patty cake? Do you need to go out or what? Go.
Oh, she wants food.
What?
Oh, a patty cake, a baker's man. She's dancing. Can you dance? You can bake that cake.
Delaney, can you dance?
Yes, you can.
Oh, such a good dancer.
Oh, and you can roll it and pat it and mark it with the B. Put it in the oven for the babies and me. Yay! Oh, good job. Oh, it's stuck.
Yuck.
Oh. You want some Jell-O or pudding or something?
Well, that would be all good with what you got going on there.
I'll give her some Jell-O.
She can't really pick it up though.
That's the fun part.
Oh, that's just mean. What are you doing? Hi. No, don't touch the camera with those grubby fingers. Rawr. Oh, what is it?
I'll get you a spoon too. See if you can pick it up.
She's like, what? Oh. There's nothing on there yet.
I hate the spoon first.
So cold.
Oh.
Oh, she did it! Oh. Oh no! No! That was scary.
Well, I think Delaney's done eating now.
Yeah.
The tray's been contaminated. Say bye-bye. Delaney.
We can bleach it.
Bye-bye. Delaney. Hey. Oh, no, don't eat that. Okay.